In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy PlayStation Plus on Amazon. This is a simple process that allows you to skip the hassle of going to a physical store, making it convenient for those last-minute needs or gifting occasions. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to go to Amazon.com. If you haven't already, log into your Amazon account. It's crucial to ensure that you are logged in to make the checkout process seamless. Take a moment to double-check that you're on the correct account if you share your computer or device with others. Once logged in, locate the search bar, which is usually at the top of the page. Here, type in PlayStation Plus and hit Enter. Be specific in your search terms to pull up the most relevant listings. This will take you to a page filled with different options and listings related to PlayStation Plus. As you browse through the options, find the section labeled New Offers, which usually appears in a dedicated tab or below the primary listing. Click on this section to see additional offers, which might include the PlayStation Store gift card. This step is important because it often houses the best deals, or you might find exactly what you're looking for more easily in a list form. Next, click on the PlayStation Store gift card from the list of options. These gift cards usually come in digital code form, meaning they'll be delivered electronically via email upon purchase. This is an ideal choice for digital quick gifting or instant access. After selecting your gift card, you'll need to decide how much you want to spend. A variety of denominations are generally offered, so choose the amount that fits your needs or your budget. Once you've made your selection, confirm it visibly reflects your choice on the screen. Now it's time to add the gift card to your cart. Click on Add to Cart, a button that is typically quite prominent on the page. Adding an item to your cart doesn't mean you're committed to buying it. It just makes it easier to review your purchase before you check out. Finally, review your cart. If everything looks good, click on Proceed to Checkout. Follow the prompts to enter any necessary billing information and then complete your purchase. Remember, since this is a digital product, you should receive an email confirmation almost immediately after your transaction is complete. With that, you've successfully purchased PlayStation Plus from Amazon. You can now enjoy gaming or send the subscription code to a friend or family member as a gift right from the comfort of your home. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.